I have never done any series except for paper dolls of 4 musketeers and their ladies and clothes for them when I was a child. So this is my first. I was happy to accept the challenge from the artist Anne Livingstone on YouTube and join a very friendly group of other artists who are doing the same thing. The series of the group of artists which joined from all corners of the world is called Series Under the Same Sky. My theme? Greek streets. And why? Because Greece was my home for a certain period of time of my life. And also because when thinking about what would be the theme, I remember this photograph from my first Greek stay and felt like painting it, and I knew I had many more, so it was good material for my series. It became a journey back in time, remembering old stories and confronting my younger self with the current self. Traveling was my biggest wish before and after the fall of the Iron Curtain. Greece was the first foreign country where I lived and studied for a longer period. Now I speak the language and I know a lot about their culture. Another reason why I chose streets is the fact that I've been painting streets since I was 17. My first being actually my first big painting in oil. You can see it in a video. I will leave a link here.